Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not joining groups. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting. Always begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. Next, visit the official Roblox status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues preventing group joins. It's also a good idea to make sure your Roblox application is completely up to date and to restart your device and the application. These simple steps often resolve many common problems. Now, let's look at your account and the group itself. First, confirm your Roblox account isn't facing any moderation or restrictions that might prevent you from joining groups. Some groups have specific requirements, so check if you meet them. Also, ensure the group isn't full or set to private, which would require an invitation. Finally, verify your account meets any age restrictions the group owner might have established. These details are crucial for a successful join. If the basic checks didn't work, let's try some more advanced solutions. Start by clearing your Roblox application's cache and temporary files, as corrupted data can cause issues. Next, attempt to join the group using a different web browser or even another device to rule out browser-specific problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try temporarily disabling it. As a last resort, consider completely reinstalling the Roblox application. This often fixes deeper software glitches. If you've tried all these steps and are still unable to join groups, it's time to seek further assistance. Your best next step is to contact the Roblox support team directly. When you reach out, provide them with as much detailed information as possible about your issue and all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. You can also check Roblox community forums for similar issues and potential solutions shared by other players. Remember to be patient, as resolving complex technical problems can sometimes take a little time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.